Hi folks, we're back again for number 2. This time we're going to get into one or two little projects, I think. Come on then, girls. So this thing, well, the whole area is overcrowded, as you can see. But this thing we put in a few years back, a broom, lovely yellow flowers. But as you can see, it gets quite bushy and big, and I think it's now out of place here, so we're going to have to move it, I think. Whether we just get rid of it or move it to another part of the garden, we don't know yet. It possibly could go to another part of the garden, but where? Maybe you can give us some advice. So we have got a corner of the pond there that the broom could go in, or possibly behind the outbuilding. Tell us what you think. As you can see, we've had a bit of snow and frost. Having said that, look at this. We had some strawberry offshoots last season, and they're still flowering. Look at these lovely things, still flowering now. Actually, I'd like to know if, well, first off, what they are, but also if they self-propagate, or whether I can split them, or I'm not sure. Maybe it's a bulb rhizome, haven't a clue. And before we go too much further, my personality may not fit everyone. I do get a bit sweary, and I know gardeners are meant to be all calm and serene and all that. That's just not me. I'm a bit volatile. Some people have suggested that I should spend more time studying all this stuff. I'm sort of University of Life guy. I do shit. If the shit doesn't work, I don't do it again. So here's another example of doing stuff and it not working. I was putting these beams in, sleepers, whatever you want to call them, and I've got some very long steel fixings. Now, the sensible side of me said you got to drill them first, but I didn't have a drill bit long enough. That would have meant going in the car, going to the shops, and going to buy a extra long drill bit. So I thought, fuck it. So I, like an idiot, I just drilled them in, and they got so far, because obviously it's oak. So they only got so far, and they rounded the head of the driver off. So now they are stuck out the side, and I'm going to have to grind them off.
finger.
So, sun's going down. That time of day. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.